Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing slash unbagging, because it's in a bag obviously, on something that I've been wanting for quite some time. Since I do live in a cold climate, aka New England, aka Massachusetts, it does stink to not be able to ride as much in the winter. This should help somewhat, just a little bit. As you can tell by the title of this video, you can probably guess what it is if you're smart enough. But yeah, let's get right into it. Oh baby, just a packing slip. Woo! This will be kind of like a first impression slash unboxing on this product. These look unreal already. Woo-wee! These are 100% Brisker gloves. I got them in the camo. I got these at Rocky Mountain ATV. These look fantastic. They look even better in person. Do a first try on. See how it feels compared to my other gloves. Woo! I'm already in love. Holy cow. Look at these. One's tied down. Look at this. The other gloves I have, they're just regular MX gloves. They're really thin. They're meant for extreme dexterity, obviously. They're just meant to complete the look of the jersey, the pants, the boots, etc. Just stuff like that. I did get these so I can ride in the winter. I did get a bigger size just in case, which people said to do, just in case you do want to put glove liners in here, which I would if it's really cold out. You might not need it, but man, these feel great. Oh yeah, these are perfect. Look at these. The woodland camo is kind of hard to find. I did find them, like I said, on Rocky Mountain on their website. I got them in 2 days, actually 3 because it was the weekend, but 2 day shipping, phenomenal. Funny story about that actually. I got 2 pairs by accident. So I had this pair in my cart when I was ready to check out, and then I just left it there for an hour. And then I came back and I wanted to buy them, so I put these in the cart again with my cart rebuild kit for this, which will be coming soon in a later video. But yeah, I ended up buying 2 pairs, and since they shipped it out so quick, I'm stuck with 2 pairs for now. I might keep them, so if I'm riding in the winter or in the snow and these get wet, then I can just take these out of my bag, slap them on, new pair. But man, these feel so good. Woo! I'm in the cold garage right now, also no heat. So these are keeping my hands nice and warm. Actually, I have an idea. We're gonna hop on the bike. Woo! You can't even tell what these are. These feel just like my other ones. My other ones are Troy Lee designs. They're great because they match everything blue. But man, first impression, thumbs up. After having these on for a few minutes, guys, these feel unreal. The palm is made of like this suede material, just like just normal glove material. Obviously it's thermal and on the inside I would assume it wicks water. Let's see what the back says. Yep, it says moisture wicking microfiber on the inside, which means that your hands won't be extremely sweaty when you use these. And on the top, it's like this nylon-y type of material. These just feel really good. They are worth the money. They were $35 times 2, unfortunately. They're not 2 pairs by accident. But these feel well worth the money. You can get them in multiple different colors. I just got the camo because I think the camo looks the best. It actually somewhat matches my pants. Unintentional. However, I would recommend also going a size up. I wear a medium glove just because I like them really tight. So when you're pressing the levers, you have all your dexterity there. But these are large and these fit like medium large. I would say definitely go the size up if you can. And yeah, I'm so happy with these. I cannot wait to use these on the trails. Since it is the heart of winter right now, it's January. So whenever I find a day to go ride and get more footage for you guys, I'm gonna have these on and I will give you my honest opinions on these after using them for riding on the trails. And I will see you guys later. Peace.